We're going to make a easy cherry cobbler. I'm going to start off just some regular bread flour. Yeah, we'll just go with that. That's a quarter cup, so we got 3/4 cup. I melted my butter. I'm going to mix it with the flour. We're just going to mix this flour, butter, and I think this is equal to about 1/2 cup. So about the same flour, about the same ratio of flour and sugar. Add the butter, combine it well. It comes together really quick. Curry butter, and just kind of lubing the inside of the pan here. Cherries. I like these snap rings for sure. Smooth it out. I'm just going to take some of this and just spread it around. And all these are guess amounts. How much I'm going to need. I put the temp on 375. Put my cobbler, cherry cobbler, in this small little oven. Try to get it centered. It preheats real fast, so I'm not worried about that. And so we're at 375. I'm going to start with like 36 minutes. It'll be done before that. I had about 6 minutes to go on my timer, so it is taking the full time. I wasn't quite satisfied with the way it was changing, so I upped the temperature to 400 degrees. I'm going to let that continue cooking. That looks pretty good. So I ended up cooking this about 45 minutes. It's still bubbling. It's about 45 minutes. That looks awesome. Alright, it's sample time. Organic flour, sugar, turbinado sugar. Mix the butter in with. Alright. That's the best cobbler I've made so far. The other ones were more like upside down cakes. This is a genuine cobbler. I'm gonna have to get bigger cloves, bigger scale. Nah, I can practice constraint. Appreciate you watching the video. Enjoy your cobbler. You can do it. Peace out.